If you have a house in Upper Arlington, Ohio, and the property is currently rented out or occupied by a third party, but you still want to sell the property fast, easy, and conveniently, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we have been buying properties in and around Upper Arlington, Ohio, and we can close extremely quickly, and we can keep it easy for you, and we can handle all correspondence and communications with the persons living there. There's no awkwardness needed from you. There's no awkward conversations, and we don't need to walk through the property 100 different times like a traditional buyer who might be working with a realtor and they need to qualify for a loan and they got to send the appraiser through and then a different inspector and all these different things. We're going to keep it easy for you, for the person that's living there. And even if the person who's living there isn't paying and there's an eviction that needs to take place, we don't need the eviction to happen before we could close with you. We'll buy the property in its as-is condition and we can handle all of it. So there's no added costs for you with evictions and court costs or anything like that. When we purchase your property, we're going to buy it for cash in its as-is condition, and that means there's no repairs needed, no cleaning, and no hauling anything away. It's very easy to work with us. We buy tenant-occupied properties in and around Upper Arlington, Ohio, and we look forward to the opportunity to speak to you. So our phone number is 614-300-5151, or our website, if you prefer, is sellhousecolumbus.com. You can fill out a little form online. We'll get on the phone. And when we get on the phone with you, it's a very simple conversation. There is no pressure, there's no obligations or fake urgency. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about any timeline that you might currently be working with. And this is very important. It's often overlooked, but we're going to close this transaction on your timeline. Since we're a true cash buyer buying it in its as-is condition, we could close quickly if that's what you need, or if you need to set a date in the future, we can do that as well. We can be flexible, whatever is going to accommodate your needs. So when you're dealing with a traditional buyer, they got to you're closing on the bank's timeline. You're closing on their timeline. When you work with us here at Sell House Columbus, we're going to close on your timeline. So our phone number once again is 614-300-5151. Our website, sellhousecolumbus.com. We buy tenant-occupied properties in and around Upper Arlington, Ohio. We look forward to the opportunity to speak to you, and we look forward to the opportunity to work with you.